Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile live on YouTube. First, ensure your mobile device has a strong internet connection, ideally over 100 megabits per second download and 20 megabits per second upload. You will also need a reliable streaming application, such as Omelette Arcade or Streamlabs Mobile. Ensure your device has at least 4 gigabytes of random access memory for optimal performance during gameplay and streaming. Prepare to set up your account details. Once you have chosen a streaming application, navigate to its settings menu to optimize your broadcast. Set your video resolution to 720 pixels for a balanced quality and performance experience, or 1080 pixels if your internet is very strong. Adjust the bitrate to between 2,500 and 4,500 kilobits per second, matching your upload speed. Also, connect your microphone for clear in-game communication and commentary. This ensures your audience hears you well. Next, link your YouTube channel within the streaming application's dashboard. This is a straightforward process requiring your YouTube login credentials. Before starting, create a compelling title and description for your live stream to attract viewers. Select PUBG Mobile as your game category and choose your privacy setting, whether public for everyone or unlisted for specific audiences. Then, with just one tap, you can begin your live broadcast directly to your YouTube channel. Your stream will now be visible to viewers. To cultivate an engaging live stream, actively interact with your chat throughout your broadcast, acknowledge comments and answer questions. Maintain a consistent streaming schedule, perhaps 3 to 5 times per week, to build a dedicated viewership. Good lighting and clear audio significantly enhance the viewer experience, making your stream more professional. Consider setting up on-screen alerts for new subscribers or donations. These small efforts help create a lively and welcoming community around your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.